Brenda's got a baby, but Brenda barely got a brain. A damn shame, the girl can hardly spell her name. That's not our problem, that's up to Brenda's family. Well, let me show you how it affects our whole community. Now Brenda really never knew her moms, and her dad was a junkie, putting death into his arms. And it's sad, cause I bet Brenda doesn't even know. Just cause you're in the ghetto doesn't mean you can't grow. But oh, that's a thought, my own revelation. Do whatever it takes to resist the temptation. Brenda got herself a boyfriend. Her boyfriend was a cousin, now let's watch the joy end. She tried to hide a pregnancy from her family, who really didn't care to see or give a damn if she went out and had a church of kids. As long as when the check came, they got first dibs. Now Brenda's belly's getting bigger, but no one seems to notice any change in her figure. She 12 years old and she having a baby, in love with the molester who's sexing her crazy. And yet she thinks that he'll be with her forever, and dreams of a world of the two of them together. Whatever, he left her and she had the baby solo. She had it on the bathroom floor and didn't know so. She didn't know what to throw and what to keep. She wrapped up the baby and threw it in the trash heap. I guess she thought she'd get away and wouldn't hear the cry. She didn't realize how much the little baby had her eyes. Now the baby's in the trash heap bawling. Mama can't help it but it hurt to hear her calling. Now Brenda wants to run away, but Mama said you're making me lose pay, and social workers here today. Now Brenda's gotta make her own way. Can't go to a family that won't let her stay. No money, no babysitter, she can't get a job. Try to sell crack, end up getting robbed. Now what's next? There ain't nothing left to sell. She sees sex as the way of leaving hell. It's paying the rent, so she really can't complain. Prostitute found slain, and Brenda's the name, she got a baby.